What if you could get back 1 hour every single day, just by asking better questions? Today, I'm going to show you how beginners can use ChatGPT to dramatically boost productivity without being techy, without complex tools, and without spending hours learning prompts. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple workflow you can copy today. And if you want to go deeper, I'll give you my AI productivity starter kit at the end. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's like having your own personal assistant, researcher, writing partner, brainstorm buddy, and workflow optimizer all in one tab. So instead of showing you random prompts, I'll walk you through a step by step system that turns ChatGPT into a real productivity tool. Let's start. Before anything else, tell ChatGPT who you are and what you're trying to achieve. This gives you 10 times better results because ChatGPT tailors everything automatically. Example prompt you can copy. You are my AI productivity assistant. I'm a beginner learning to use AI to save time. Keep your answers simple, step by step, and always ask clarifying questions before generating long outputs. This acts like giving ChatGPT its job description. Here you completed step 1 with setting up your AI assistant. Step up on the second with use the 3-part productivity prompt. Beginners often type vague questions like, help me be productive, and then wonder why the outputs are vague. Instead, use this 3-part prompt structure. 1. Context, what you're doing. 2. Goal, what you want. 3. Format, how you want the answer delivered. For example, context, I struggle to stick to a daily routine. Goal, help me create a realistic, simple productivity plan. Format, give me a table with tasks, time blocks, and a 3-sentence explanation. This one structure works for planning, writing, research, emails, everything. Step 3. Turn ChatGPT into a task accelerator. Now let's get practical. Here are 3 everyday tasks where ChatGPT saves serious time. 1. Writing tasks. Emails, messages, posts. Prompt. Rewrite this email to be clearer and more professional. Keep it short. Paste your email. 2. Research and summaries. Prompt. Summarize this article in 5 bullet points and give me one action step. 3. Brainstorming. Prompt. Give me 10 ideas for improving my daily workflow based on the fact that I procrastinate and get overwhelmed easily. The point is, don't do the heavy lifting yourself. Let ChatGPT give you options, then you refine. Step 4. Build reusable workflows. Once you find a prompt that works, don't just use it once. Turn it into a reusable template. For example, a simple daily planner workflow. Create my daily plan using this format. Top 3 priorities, 5 supporting tasks, a 3-sentence summary. Here's my schedule and tasks for today. Paste tasks. Run this every morning. Now ChatGPT becomes a habit, not a novelty. Step 5. Let ChatGPT automate thinking. The biggest productivity unlock isn't typing less, it's thinking less about repetitive decisions. Here are 3 automations beginners love. 1. Weekly planning. Plan my week based on these tasks. Sort them by urgency and effort. 2. Project breakdown. Break this project into milestones, tasks, deadlines, and a 3-step starter plan. 3. Decision helper. Give me a pros and cons list and a recommendation based on what I value, speed and simplicity. Instead of wasting mental energy, let ChatGPT structure everything for you. Step 6. Ask for improvements. Beginners often stop too early. The secret is to always ask, make this better, or give me 3 alternate versions, or my favorite, What am I not asking that would improve this? ChatGPT becomes smarter the longer you interact with it. Call to action. If you want to go beyond beginner level and start using AI to streamline your life, plan your days, and automate boring tasks, I've put together a free AI productivity starter kit. It includes templates, prompt packs, and a simple step by step system to save you time every day. If this video helped you even a little, hit like. And if you're serious about upgrading your productivity with AI, subscribe me and share it with someone who needs to work smarter with AI.